Injection Mouldings began as a bit of fun for its managing director Nicholas T. Back in the early 90s, he was a practicing chartered accountant running his own very successful firm. Having started Injection Mouldings in the corner of a colleague's factory, he saw enough potential to move the company into its own premises. By 2002, Nick sold his accountancy practice to really drive Injection Mouldings' growth.
When you're outside looking in, you can see so much, but when you're inside and you really see it day in, day out, you realise what can be done. And I soon realised that we were only scratching the surface and we could do so much better if we just got more professional and slicker and just got a bit more focused on what we should be doing and what we should not be doing.
Nick implemented more efficient systems and things were going well. However, in 2004, Injection Mouldings lost its largest customer and its operations manager. The client had provided well over half of the company's turnover. Nick turned the setback into an opportunity. Drawing on his accountancy background, he decided to bring its client-focused and service approach into Injection Mouldings.
We took the philosophy that we would actually sit down with our customers at the design stage and just say, well, listen guys, have you thought about this? Have you thought about that? We could make this easier, we could make it cheaper, we could make it more reliable. And the whole general idea of working with the customer to enhance the quality of their product sets us aside from most moulders who seem to just do what they're asked to do.
Crucially at this point, Injection Mouldings recruited a strong management team. Steve Rawls has helped to professionalise the business. Alongside him, Steve Cook takes an all-important can-do attitude towards technical issues, allowing Injection Mouldings to meet complex customer needs. Supporting the company, Charlotte Kurzweil takes charge of administration and accounting. Through this shift in ethos and management, Injection Mouldings has streamlined production and addressed its financial and environmental waste.
We've probably saved around about 14 tonne a year that we used to send to landfill, which we now recycle. In that itself has created a lot of cost saving on landfill waste. Skips going to landfill, it now goes to recycling. We still have to pay for it to go for recycling, but the cost is a fraction of what it is to go to landfill because of landfill taxes, etc. And obviously better for the environment.
By 2007, however, Injection Mouldings had started to feel the impact of the recession. Many of its key customers were in badly hit industries such as construction and double glazing, and Injection Mouldings dropped 40% of its sales in a week. Fortunately, the company is well funded. They regrouped. Staff took some elongated holidays, which eased the pressure. Having foreseen the problems, the management had started to diversify, which provided a wider spread of customers and industries. Injection Moulding engenders loyalty in its customers by ensuring it meets delivery dates and responds to any urgent changes. The company takes on projects that might challenge its competitors and is prepared to mould in many unusual engineering plastics, which require specialist expertise.
Their ability to work very close with our engineers and our design people, I think it's been very crucial, and it's something that we haven't found really and we've looked at a lot of companies actually before stopping here. It wasn't by accident, and actually, they are a partner in our ability to deliver products to our customers. That's kind of how we look at them. They're an extension of our own business.
When we actually get the products and we get them off the machine and they're within spec and the customer is happy with them, and mainly when we then get a production run out, that's rewarding to know that we got a new material, nobody knows nothing about it, we read up on it, we get all the specs of the material, we get the right tools for the job, and that's when it's rewarding.
What was very impressive about Injection Mouldings was their yes, can do, will do attitude in working with our suppliers. There's something about the old saying of the customer is always right. Well, the customer can be a pain in the butt sometimes, but having said that, Injection Mouldings has really embraced this attitude and ethos of working with the customer to develop something together.
Recovery for Injection Mouldings has been swift. With Nick's accountant's eye on the books, sales turnover is up by 30% and profits have doubled on last year. But have the tough times been worth it, or was he ever tempted to return to his original profession?
There have been times when I wondered about it, but no, I think manufacturing is where I belong. And it's a nice feeling when I walk into this company in the morning and everybody says hello and calls across to say hello, how are you doing? And it's a good feeling, so no, I'm quite happy in manufacturing.
The future is looking promising. With a diverse client base, the company is now aiming to build a new factory which would see it double its production space, a sign that quality, service and expertise ultimately pay off.